Yo! What's going on, all you dreamers? And all you thick, juicy, motherfucking thick-ass creamers out there! Happy fucking Saturday, bitches. Long Saturday here in the United States. Long Saturday. We got a Monday off. 4th of July weekend, bitches. Welcome. There we go. What's going on, guys? A little gray today. She's really good at DKC. I had no idea. Dude, her speedrun time's like 38 minutes or something. Dedicated to White Moth. I love both these people. I love both Microwave Brother and Wetmouth. So I'm excited to play this. Oh, God, of course. There we go. If you believe in dinosaurs, then somewhere they must be believing in you. If they believe in you, then you can believe in you. Thank you. I wouldn't expect anything else from Microwave Brother. Everyone there probably got a sub. Engineer Deficiency. Yeah, literally everybody. Streamin' Lehman, the Pickle Barn. Let's go say hi to the Pickle Barn. This hack has a lot of strange tech, so make sure to check out the tutorial to the right. Also, I let Taylor name this level, and she chose Pickle Barn. Smiley face.
Snooty Boy, Puff, Real Life Junior.
These are no game audio. Oh, sorry, guys. How's that? Does that sound good? These are the classic Goombas from Mario Z. You can jump on their faces. Give it a shot. Boom, look at that. Right in your face. Yo, nice. An ellipsis, perfect. Wouldn't have it any other way. Well, that pretty much sums it up. Goodbye. It just kills me. All right, well, we did the tutorial. Perfect. Time's up. Excellent. A graceful pace. Oh, I get it. Like Gracie. You made some bacon, biscuits, and gravy and hash browns? Damn, that sounds great. Sounds fucking super yummy. Thank God. That's a gross spot for Manus, yeah. Oh, I should check the pipes and shit. This looks like a lot of fun. Dude, this is great. I've known Microwave Brother for a long time. And, seeing his, like, progression and, like, level creation stuff has been really cool. Good biscuits and gravy is fucking godly. You been craving chiquitas? What's a chiquita? You got 2 exits left, dude. Nice. You're almost done. Woo! Chiquita, my lovely lady! Your controller started shitting the bed. Dude, that sucks. Your controller broke, so I said fuck it and swapped the keyboard. There you go. Yeah, you can play whatever you want. Lando Sand. Oh, this is the music that composer made. The hack looks good, dude. It is great. Yeah, it's been really fun thus far. it! Ugh. I feel like I'm missing a whole bunch of secrets, but we'll go back for him. Riding the Scree. Oh shit, this is his race level. Oh yeah, that one's like no bounce regrab maybe. God, I remember that. Oh, this is all different. I love this bite-size level design. I really am enjoying this. Like, it very much feels like if this hack was a piece of candy, this would be one of those Halloween bite-size like Snickers bars, and I like that. I'm enjoying that. Yeah, Mouse is GDQ in like a week. Then who knows? Maybe he'll start Final Fantasy. Maybe we'll play Final Fantasy 8 on stream, guys. By the way, Mouse, I went through the whole cutscene again. And so I'm back to where the game crashed. Woo! What? Oh, that's free. Oh, that's cool. I like how it looks really difficult, but it's actually free. Dude, Mouse, at least what I played thus far, I equated this hack to if a normal hack is like a full-size candy bar, like a normal-size candy bar, let's say a larger hack like Rift 2 or Grand Poo World 2 or stuff like that is like a king-size candy bar. These levels feel like bite-size candy bars, like a bite-size Snickers from Halloween. P! Can I get some PPs in chat? Little PPs! We got P! Let's check out P. It's a pea balloon. How could I have thought of anything different? Star part? Yeah. You're almost at the end then.
You suck, you jackass.
God damn it. Kid and Godson, thank you for the encouragements. I wanted to play golf today, but Faye wants to play on the Switch, so I was like, all right. I do like the golf game. Feel bad for like the bigger streamers like Barb and Smokaloke and those people. Because, I mean, you pretty much killed golf in like a week, the content of golf, if you play it like every stream. If you drag that shit out, there's a lot.
Puff, Real Life Junior.
We're playing it.
Does anyone in the house ever want to play? Oh, I don't know. Jedi power battles.
We do, dude. She just never wants to play when I am streaming. I could play it alone, dude. Yo, Charles Nelson Riley, what's going on, dude? The thicket. Let's go into it. Let's go into the thick of it. Oh man, dude, my back. I'm getting old, man. I woke up, my back hurt. Red Marsh. Oh! What's going on here? Whoa! There's a coin. It doesn't seem like it helps though, because when I did the coin, I jumped early, and when I jump at the end, I do it late. It's like in between it. Woo! Ah! Oh, microwave brother, you you little potato head. All right, Forbidden Woods. FL Studio. Dan G88. Oh my god. Play Warzone, you cuck! Infamous Greg, what? I got the double? Jesus Christ, guys, thank you so much. I'm playing tomorrow. I am playing tomorrow. Tomorrow, 8 a.m. my time. I won't stream it though, I don't stream it. But I will be on Infamous Greg's stream. I don't know. Does Dan G take Sundays off too? I'll be on Doomsdib's stream for sure. Mojo Motorcide. I don't think anybody banned you. You've never been banned here. The only thing you've ever said is, "Have I been banned?" Who banned me? I didn't play because fuck you. That's why it sounds like Dan G is scared. Oh, this is the other half of the race level. It's just good. It's proper etiquette, though. I'll take it. It's proper etiquette. I've never heard of them. I just want to play Warzone. Perps, we're playing tomorrow. I don't know if there's room for you, but I'd love to. Meowster Smokey, who's Dan G88? I've never heard of him. Never? Freakin Oh, this is the level that can crash your game. I'm excited to check this one out. This one can crash your game and delete your save. Of course we touch. Oh, we got the bad touch. Damn, dude. Why you gotta be so tight? Oh! God, dude! I'm literally just trying to jump out of here. Alright. We did it! We did it, Twitch chat. We did it. Berserker 88. What's going on, dude? What kind of bread are you, Berserker? Can I get a mod to check what kind of bread Berserker is? Satan speeds up. Oh, this is the one that Mighty Mouse was having trouble with the block. Mouse, when I said it, after I said it, I was like, oh god, that's like teenage not good stuff. So I didn't continue it. I kind of realized it was like, okay, we're borderline child talk. Get out of there. Woo! He wasn't a 1-pump chump. He was a 2-pump chump. I'm a 2-pumper. Deffy, let's get if we're gonna discuss my pumping, can we at least discuss it correctly? I'm a 2-pumper. Go up, you dingus. God, I love Microwave Brother. Pee on the rocks. Guys, can I get some pee-pee? Can I get some pee-pees in chat? This has got to be a pee balloon level. Can I get some pee-pees? Maybe some cummies? Is that pee-pees? It is. There it is. Mario Man, he's contributing. Just long enough to trick him into thinking it's real sex. Exactly. And then I'm like, I'm done. What's that? It's like this, Mighty Mouse. All right, that's not. I can't find it. But there's an old Family Guy. There's an old Family Guy where him and Lois are like, they're like gonna have sex, and he's like, I'm done, and then just like falls asleep on her. There you go. That's me in a nutshell. Yo, Mr. Microwave Brother, thank you for the GGs. Okay. Show me a creator who loves all their creations, and I'll show you somebody I don't trust. Yeah, I mean, it could be any form of art, right? Actually, though, artists like get to a point, man, where like they like love their own bullshit, and I don't think that's happened in like the kaizo creation community so much. I think there are some creators who like literally think like everything they make is really good, and everything else anybody makes is shit. I think there's a couple of people I think who are like kind of borderline there. For the most part, though, I think you're right. I do love this part. This part's tight. Big jumpers. Oh, I kind of wanted to see what was over there, but all right. I don't trust Deffy. Soy burrito, oh my god. I was talking about you today. Why was I saying that? I called Faye. I'm like, Faye, you're Cyberina, the gang hole. I'm here for the gang hole. Whoa! It's not that, but it's not that she doesn't want to. Let me rephrase that. Something happened, and Faye went. I think I like farted or something, and Faye went like. And I'm like, I'm gonna start calling you Cyberina. Because you're the queen of sighs. All you do is sigh. That's what I said. LaMelo! I know. So, that's what she is. She's Cyberina. I'm so glad I knew what to do there, because I feel like I would have, like, tried to jump off or something if I didn't know. I gotta go. Have a good night. The rest of your stream. Yo, Brittany B, have a good day. Thank you so much for hanging out. It's good to see you. Pond of Pain. We're getting some ponds on. Pond of Pain action. Oh, what? Why do I not remember Grim playing this? Wow! All right, I'm a god gamer. I'd really like to watch somebody else play that level blind, dude. Yeah, dude, I'm really lucky I didn't. I'm sorry, Rudy. Don Apache till the end of time. What is that? Should I do it intended? Maybe we should do it intended. That was tight. What a cool level. Low-key does sound kind of like Gen Z, hence why you shouldn't say low-key. Exactly, Prank Monkey. I'm too old. I'm too old to be saying Gen Z shit. God, that emote Tyrone posted is so creepy. Oh, Tyrone Bigsby, what's going on? I love that. Somebody asked me why. I think it was Grim. He was like, why did you do that to your hand? Why? And my response was, it's because I can't show my feet on stream. I have to give you guys something. Oh my god. Have I not... This can't be the first secret exit, is it? We might have to go back, Kate. Rudy! Just eating some Fluffy Puffs. There you go, Rudy. Just drinking some Mepsi. God, what else did you eat? And Faye was like really trying to sell me on it. She's like, that sounds so good. The tortilla, the Doritos corn, Mexican corn. She like Googled what Mexican corn was, and it's like mayonnaise and corn. I was like, that sounds good. All right, I saw Grim go in here. Elote is delicious. Mexican street corn is so yummy. And oh, it's Cheetos, not Doritos. Yeah, Cheetos didn't really nail it. Damn. All right, that's the secret exit. All right, good. Leaf Beach. Let's head. Let's check it out. Oops. The final dungeon's so long. It really is. And you have to have like 2 healers, pretty much, for the final boss. Where am I going? I had that old mana magic or usage magic. Yeah, where like, depending on your job level, you'd have so many spell slots. The dungeon's ass though, dude, it is. It is ass. All right, on to the P switch. It's P. This level is jank. For best results, try to hang off the back left of the shelf. Put this all together. I didn't do the regrab, and so even if I... it does seem speed dependent, though. In that part, like, I think I can make it with just 4 bounces if I'm going the right speed. Oh, that was so cool! Oh no, now you're gonna turn into a bug, huh, JK? Nice. Dude, that was really cool. Nothing into Seattle, on down to Lacey. Guess I'm just gonna have to do it myself. I forgot you're up here, dude. Yeah, I don't know if Bellevue's putting on something or not. That was really cool. That was super cool. Maybe possible. Yo, JR, dude, how you doing, JR? It's good to see ya. How you been, man? Or this is the chat room if you want to learn about cream pies. B squared, come on in. I'll make you my famous Papa Nug cream pie. How you doing, B squared? No, the Jordan. No, it's Cummies. It looks like this. That's a small ambulance. Eat my pie. And like very much like, and actually a good horror movie will have themes and motifs outside of, just like murder, you know, like just outside of the suspense and stuff. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. Am I supposed to get here with a mushroom? Could I have gotten here with a mushroom? No, there's no way. Oh. To me, Sex and the City is the scariest movie I've ever seen. We did it. Holy shit, he was going fast at the end. Sarah Jessica Parker is coming for you. She, oh Lord, she coming. But what I was saying was like a good horror movie is gonna speak to like society at large or like have a particular idea behind the art, right? Like there's the visual entertainment that happens in like film media or, you know, any media really. But then there should be like a layer behind that, right? Like typically with oh, I should read this. Wow, that was one fast critter. Using your skills, you're able to jump on its head several times, which was good. There are more levels now, which are levels. And it gets to a point with like a popular horror franchise where it just becomes about the violence. There's nothing behind it. It's not speaking to anything. It's literally just like, here's somebody getting their head chopped off. Haha. Like, oh. Like, where do you see that? And you're like, yes, that's it for me. That's... I don't know, man. People like it, though. Some people do. Hey, there we go. Praying mantis. Yeah, and what about monkeys that employ a language to ask for specific things. Ooh, IB. Dude, speaking of monkeys, but not actually gorillas. Speaking of gorillas, somebody asked on Reddit this morning, hey, why do gorillas, like, why are they so muscular compared to humans? Even if they don't get a lot to eat. Like, they don't have, like, a workout routine. Why are they so strong compared to, like, a human? Do you guys know the answer? It was actually really interesting. Gate glider. I do, if I ever... speedrunning, it would be faster to just do it normally, I guess. It was just for fun. I guess if I ever want to go back, I can. I'm going to the lake. Bye, friends. Make sure to keep cleaning up your cummies and your pee-pees. Courtyard Roots. Okay. This hack would be, I think, really fun to speedrun. Uh-oh. I was trying to get in that... Aw, white moth! Guys, it's wet mouth! I didn't mean to go here. I meant to go in the pipe, the up pipe. Oh, wow. Up high, take the ride down to beauty. Dude, this is cool. Holy shit, dude. That's super cool. Speaking of that emote, Wow Grim, I've been watching, Faye and I have been watching a shit ton of Full Metal Brotherhood Alchemist. What? What did I just say? Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood. That's what we've been watching. Not whatever I just said. The exact title. Yeah, the I don't know. Colombian knockoff. It's been really good. It's been really good. Cape. Cape. That's hilarious. Yes, dude. I like the moon. Look at his little smile. The knife. Okay, so is the static buzz coming from the hack or from Nug? What's static? The air conditioning just kicked on. That could be that. Oh, Jesus. Rudy little smiley face. That's right. The notes I sent were solid. All 3 bullet points. I like the aesthetics. I like the flow. It's a little tight here. Lost Lacuna. He play tested, but he didn't send me shit. Nephalem Rift. I didn't know you played Diablo. Oh, I'm sure probably everyone's played Diablo, but Nephalem Rift. What a cool aesthetics. Boom. Grim actually made a few great suggestions. I know he did. I know. Play Diablo with you? Diablo 2? Dude? Let's do it! When it comes to it coming out soon, like in August or September, right? Night Terror. I love the names too. I love your names. What? I think we go back to the statue, boys, and then we wait for the fish. Huh? God, I got like so loosey-goosey with my inputs there. That was cool. All right, that was sick. I love how Dargan was a real radio DJ for a job. Was he really? I had no idea. Nugs got golf and you got baseball. That's right. You probably have any sport that's actually like high paced. High as a kite. I'm getting high as a kite, Dad. And I hope my buttons work. I hope I don't die, and I hope my buttons work. That's that trick. It's kind of summed up into a nutshell. Yeah, I would, at least thus far. I would definitely agree with that. Thank God. All right, let's not die and say we did. Oh, you asshole, dude. Just when I was starting to get salty, that's perfect. You marinate it in salt, and then you take it, like, you let it cook in a little bit. And then you let it out. And it's good. Final castle. And I saw this last night. It's actually really cool. If you guys haven't seen Gracie World, it's like a throwback to Gracie, and it's super cool. You're bad at playing things blind? Dude, me too. Like, when you watch those, ROM hack races, like, that's when you know that, like, those people are, like, fucking... Not only are they skilled, but, like... I need to play something a whole bunch of times in order to, like, get consistent. Some people can just fucking... do it. Alright, let's see if we can actually hit this thing. Hey! Only 2 tries. Only took the second try. Alright. No, another one of these? Oh, God! Hey! Get fucked! I like this idea of, like, Morton bosses, like, becoming more prominent. I do like that idea. Punishment as a wide spectrum of utility and implementation. From sexual gratification to incarceration, punishment as rooted itself in human culture. Oftentimes, we find ourselves punishing ourselves due to some sort of inner turmoil. Sometimes we punish ourselves in the name of fashion, see feet binding, Sometimes we punish ourselves for the sake of entertainment. Punishment is a massive topic, and it could really go on, and I'll pump the brakes and leave it to you, the reader. That's a really interesting thing. Yo, Kerr, what's going on? Hold on. Dang! We'll get back to the topic of punishment here shortly. It's me! That's me! I'm honored! Wait, why can I walk on some of these? Remember when you said you beat that level and you said nice? Dude, I think I did do that. Hell yeah! Not even an exclamation point under the hell yeah. I hope you had fun and didn't get too stressed. I got a little stressed. You're right. You're right. I need to tone it down a bit. It's just a video game. A video game that a friend made. Chill out, Doug. This game was a labor of love. Aw, look at that. For Wetmouth. I sincerely appreciate you playing it. Aw, look at that. Big old star boy. Well, I don't know if I can get in or not. Oh, for Wetmouth. I gotta play this. Was it good? It's great, dude. It's fantastic. Created by Microwave Brother. Hell yeah. Dedicated to Wetmouth. Thank you for being a great friend. We love you. Aw. Why are all the E's solid? Not even all the E's, just the blue E's. Thank you for playtesting and feedback. Ampersand, Elusive, DeWow, Grim, Freakin AH, Rambo, Shovda, Spud, 4343, third wall. Thank you, the people who taught me to do stuff. Ampersand, Atari, Binovic, Dan of Most Trades, Dan the VP, D the Fourth, Freakin AH, Kevin M, Mark Alarms, Mega Scott, Psychedelic, somebody else I didn't read at the bottom. Sorry, I missed you. Special thanks. Oh my god. Akame King, Amethyst Rocks, LG, Arisen Dead, Barb, Baron Supreme, BK, Beta Max Glitch, oh my god. Bunk Strats, Brad Brains, Buttery Sister, oh, no Buttery Justice, Captain Canuck, Captain Scuba, oh, Buttery Justice changed his name, so maybe he's something else now. Chris G, Dank Wens, Danis, Darkanine, Dacula, Dismantis, uh-oh, he changed his name. Dr. No, Doomoo, Dr. Beardsley, Dylan of Insanity, Facebook, Fawful, and Faye! Was I not in the credits? I didn't see you. Flips Bad, Fruski 5, Fruski, Frozen Flagon, Jiminos, Glitchcat 7, Golden Rules, Griswold, Grizzly Gaming, Hank Sinatra, Harkness, whom why not, Mom. I have one big eye. Jazz Slick Start, Jesus Juice, Juzz Cook, Cammy Wing, Cammy Pants, Capper, oh Capper, Karna EXE, Katoon 24, Cascade, Chris Teef, Laser Belch, L Daddy, Lungfish, Lush, Lycon, Mage Gauge, Marathon X, Marcy August, McCulty, Moni Mendez, Mr. Fruitfinks, Mr. Madish Mouse, Nexus, Nintendesi, Noblet of You, Orcabilan, Papa Schmeg, oh my god, this guy. Pegasus, oh Peggy, P. Miller, Princess Bun Bun, RB Machuk, RB Pumlinko, Red Mush, Rezifos, Roger Dave, Rubish, Ruby Rupee, Soju, Super Ben, Super Margot, Super Margot, Super Mike, Taylor Teddy, Tesno, The Eddie Dingle, Tio Mexican, oh Tio Mexican, Trechy, Truman, Trezzle, Turtles. Oh, Turtle Singer. Ugh, Rochester. I'm seeing Rochester. W. Carrick. Your boy Booty. ZMTV. Good shoutouts. Great shoutouts. Lot of love in there. So that's all we need is just a whole bunch of love. A lot of people too. I'm not reading right now, but we just read all of them. I played SMW before you were born, Prank Monkey.